For this potato preparation, we have to first prepare batter, cut the potatoes into baton size and deep fry, and then toss it in the spring onions and sesame seeds. For batter, we are taking 3 tablespoons of corn flour, 1½ tablespoon of all-purpose flour, that is maida, along with little salt and pepper powder. Mix well by adding little water. Mix this batter and keep it aside. And take the potato, which is peeled, and cut it little bigger size. Now this potato is mixed with the batter and deep fried. Put these potato chunks inside the batter and mix it with the ladle. Coat all the mixture to the potatoes. The potatoes are coated well. We have kept the oil ready for deep fry. Now take the potatoes and dip in batter and put it into the hot oil. Put the oil in medium flame or low flame so that the potatoes will get cooked well. It will get stick when you add to the oil very closely, so ensure that gap is there in between the potatoes. So it is getting nice golden brown color, you can see. Ensure that the potato cooks evenly and gets golden brown color in all the potato. After the potato is deep fried, we'll just toss it. Our potatoes have got good golden brown color, you can see. Now we'll take out the potato. So it is very crunchy. As the corn flour ratio should be double than the maida, then your potatoes will turn out very crunchy. We have deep fried the potato and kept aside. Now we'll take a pan, heat it and add little oil and add the finely chopped garlic. For this Chinese preparation, always garlic is mandatory, and garlic is added to the oil so that the flavor will get infused to all the preparation. Once the garlic will get golden brown color, then we will add spring onions. The garlic is getting golden brown color. Now we will add spring onions. We will add capsicum. Next we will add little bit of honey. After adding honey, we will add little bit of pepper powder, and little bit of salt. Mix it well. Now you will add the deep fried potatoes. These glazed amazing chili potatoes are done. Next we will add little bit of soya sauce. And chili sauce. Mix it well. When the potato is completed, we will add little sesame seeds on top. These yummy, delicious, crunchy, golden brown potatoes, the honey chili potato is done. The potatoes are ready. We will serve it into a bowl. Honey chili potato is a Chinese preparation and it is a quick snack where your kids will like the potato in this style. You can put some sesame seeds on top as garnish, and you can put some spring onion also, which gives the final look to the potato. And this is a yummy honey chili potato, which is sweet and spicy. You have seen this delicious potato preparation. Do it in your home and share your experience through comments. Please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.